Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone touchscreen not responding on iOS 26. So let's get started. Solution number 1. Enable touch accommodation. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on touch. On the touch page, enable touch accommodation. Turn it on to make your screen more responsive to different touch patterns. Solution number 2. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all setting. Enter your passcode to confirm. Don't worry, this won't trace your personal data, but it will reset system setting. Solution number 3. Update your iOS. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install to upgrade your iOS. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And that's it. These are 4 easy ways to fix an unresponsive iPhone touchscreen on iOS 26. In this video help you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.